So guys, what is a Google Ads campaign? You have to remember one key thing, right, when it comes to Google Ads. It's not like Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, social media, cold calling, email marketing. It's none of those type of online marketing activities. So when I'm always asked what is a Google Ads campaign, the best way for me to describe it to you is you are able to quickly and ideally target your new customers, clients or leads for your business by using Google Ads. And this is what I mean by what is a Google Ads campaign. It is simply an area or a real estate on Google where you can put your ad, you can put your business onto Google. Somebody will type in a key phrase. Let's take, for example, pet insurance, right? Let's say your ideal customer is somebody shopping for pet insurance. They will go to Google, they will type in pet insurance on Google. They will then see your ad and they will come to your website and hope that they will become a lead or a customer. Guys, check this out on my screen right now. These are real leads and conversions that we have used for our own Google Ads campaigns and for our own business. Google Ads is a super powerful platform if you know how to use it. So let's take another example. Let's say you offer home insurance, right? Your customer or ideal customer or lead will be going onto Google and they will type a key phrase in. And that is what a Google Ads campaign is. It is basically you are able to get in front of the person at that right moment in time when they are looking for the product or service that you have to offer. And that is what a Google Ads campaign is and how successful it can be. Think about this, right, guys? When somebody goes to Facebook, right, they are not looking for your products or for your services. They're there to chat to friends, chat to families, look at funny photos, things like that. But with Google and a Google Ads campaign, people will open up their laptops or iPhones or iPads and they are searching and looking for what you have to offer. So when you get somebody that's searching for what you have to offer, you have the solution, you put them together, and that is how you get leads, clients, and customers. And guys, if you can master how to use Google the right way, you can easily grow a business to 6, 7, or even 8 figures, like some of our clients have done, because you are putting yourself in front of that person that is actively looking for what you have to offer. And that is the power of a Google Ads campaign, guys. So hope that's made sense. Lots of free training on our channel here, so go and check out some free trainings. There's a free training actually in the description below that talks more about Google Ads campaigns and how it's worked for us. And hit the subscribe button if you want to learn more. So hopefully you found this useful, but I'll catch up with you on the next training video.